To customize watch faces on your Apple Watch, I can highly recommend you to do this by using your iPhone because everything is much bigger and you can do this much easier. So let's start by opening watch application, and over here we have to go for our current watch faces and the My Watch, go to the edit, and now if I want to edit for example this watch face, I have to just tap on it over here, and as you can see, first of all I can change its color just like this. Below I can also change numerals. Once you actually tap on it, after like 1 second delay, you can already find the change on your Apple Watch. Here you can also change its style. And as you can see, that's basically everything for this specific watch face. But when we pick, for example, this one, as you can see, we can change complications. So we can change, for example, the temperature. I'm gonna actually right now change into this one. So as you can see, we got temperature on the left bottom corner. But if I want to replace this one, for example, into the battery level, I can for sure do that. And now as you can see, we got percentage of our battery. Here, some other things. So we can customize also this complications inside, and it actually depends of the watch face that you are using. In some of them you can only change its color, sometimes you can even change complications. That's basically everything. You don't have to click on any save button, because once you actually make a change, it will be automatically just over here.